Hello guys, welcome to Right to Trick. In this video I am going to talk about my program desktop battery notifier. Uh, if you are using JioFi, you are wondering what is your battery level of your JioFi. You can check using your JioFi panel using this URL 192.168.2.251, or for some devices this is like 225.2.551, or you can directly access for some devices using JioFi.local.html. It depends on your device what address it using, and you can also, if you don't know what address it uses, you can find the address of your gateway using route n. This is URL JioFi's gateway address, which is for most devices this, or for some this. And if you don't know, you can run this command in your laptop and PC, and you can find this gateway address. And this JioFi battery notifier works both for Linux and Windows. This is a Python script which runs every 2 minutes and notifies if battery level is lower than the desired value. And if you want, you can also include max desired value. And if you only want to check once, you can also do that. So if you like, if I want to check my battery level of my JioFi device, I have created this icon. So when I click this, it will check and notifies me that my battery level of my JioFi device is 100%. So how you gonna run this? First of all, you have to download this program. If you are on Windows, you can download zip file, or in Linux you can just clone into repository. So let's open this. So first of all, I'm going to talk about running once. So first let's see what this does. So this is very simple program, importing libraries. This is URL gateway of my JioFi device. It's sending request to that device, and when content is returned, it checks for percentage level, and then it is notified that battery level is that percentage. So let's try running this. If your device has different gateway address, you can change that code here. So try running this file, JioFi once. So you can see I get notification that my battery level is 100%. And if you want to create icon like this, you can just add panel, add new item, and if I tell that property, like you can see here, this is name, comment, just some crap. You can see that I am running this program JioFi battery notifier directly, and this is execute telling notification. You can run this also directly here. If I first make this executor, then I can run directly without using Python. So this will tell once, but second program is a script. You can see this code is exactly same as previous file, but in this it is running an infinite loop, and this is minimum percentage. You can change as per your requirement. I am telling it 30, and that was original URL. You can also change. And if I am checking if percentage which is received from the JioFi device is less and it is discharging, then please send a notification that this is your battery level, please charge your device. So it runs every 2 minutes. You can also change that. So if I run this file, it will run in background, and whenever my percentage become low, it will send notification. And similarly, you can include for max level. It will also tell that your device is fully charged, please remove. So these are all 3 files you downloaded. You can also download using download zip, and it runs on Python 3. It needs these libraries. If you are on Linux, you have to only install these 2, and if you are on Windows, then you have to install an additional library. And URL parameter I also told you can find for your device and change. Minimum parameter, minimum percentage required. And if you want to run in background, then you can using this, or you can also include at your startup for your operating system. It will depend on which operating system you are using. Or if you want to only check once in while, you can then include button like here, and you can use this. Okay, if you like my video, please give me thumbs up, subscribe my channel, or if you want to support my work, you can buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching this. Thank you very much.